wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best solar pool covers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, with an 8mm thickness and a blue and silver dot-like pattern, the Midwest Canvas Space Age is a decent option for above-ground circular pools in open areas that don't require anything designed to stand up to lots of leaves or debris. It lies nice and flat and is actually bigger than advertised. However, it gets brittle over time. At number 9, while not the best quality, the Intex 29026E can be purchased as a combo package with a roller that makes it simple to put on and take off, all for less than $100, making it a hard-to-beat value for 18 by 9 foot rectangular pools. It comes with nicely hemmed edges and stays on well in heavy winds, but it tears a little too easily. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Intex Round 29025E works like a charm without costing a lot of money. You can use multiple units together to retain heat over a larger area, similar to lily pad warmers if needed, and it comes with a reusable carrying bag that can store it. The pump can still run while it's on, and it's available in 5 sizes. However, it tends to deteriorate quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar pool covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the thermo-tex rectangle is made from UV and chemical-resistant stabilized polymers that will stay flexible and intact through years of use. Since it keeps your pool warm after the sun has gone down, it allows you to take it off for a night swim whenever you like. It can reduce chlorine consumption and extends the swimming season, but it is rather thin at just 6mm. Moving up our list to number 6. The In the Swim 8mm comes in at a budget-friendly price for a 24-foot unit. It's comprised of thousands of little air bubbles that work together to reduce evaporation and hold in the heat. All its seams are reinforced to increase its durability too. It works for in and above ground pools and doesn't sink in the rain. It can be managed by one person. Halfway up our list at number 5. Unlike many other options, which are designed with circular bubbles, the ones in the Midwest Canvas Clear Oval have a diamond structure that allows more air pockets to be packed into every square foot, translating to stronger and more efficient heating. This one's suitable for odd-shaped pools and is a long-lasting resin construction. It offers up to 11 inches of overlap. At number 4, designed for either in-ground or above-ground pools, the Sun to Solar Round 1200 series boasts a handsome blue hue that blends in beautifully with the water. It's UV protected to keep it safe from intense rays, as well as reinforced to resist wear and tear over time. It's easy to install and take off, and can be trimmed to fit. It's also available in a clear option. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Blue Wave NS520 is made of a heavy-duty 14-gauge resin that's thicker than many of its competitors, so it should stand the test of time. Its clear finish allows the sun to penetrate all the way down to the bottom of the pool for thorough heating. It doesn't deteriorate from chemicals and heats water quickly, and it retains warm temperatures overnight. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar pool covers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for swimmers who own and maintain above-ground pools with odd curvy shapes, the Heritage Splash SCV2412 is the choice for you. It can be cut and customized for your unique configuration, and it helps block out dirt and debris that might clog a filter too. It's built with tightly packed bubbles and heats water by up to 15 degrees. It's both lightweight and durable. And taking the top spot on our list, the Harris Round is 16mm thick and comes in sizes ranging from 12 to 28 feet in diameter. It raises a pool's temperature effectively, even with minimal sunlight, and because of its thickness, holds the heat for a long period of time. It doesn't get brittle in the sun and prevents chemical evaporation. It's backed by an impressive 8-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for solar pool covers, or simply click beneath this video.